Hey guys, DH Trader here. It's been a while since I made a video and I have a reason for that. What I'm about to show you is something I came up with and it's pretty incredible. I'm going to share it with you guys, so stay tuned, check it out. Disclaimer: there is risk in trading. In no way, shape, or form am I providing financial advice to buy or sell securities. The performance of these ideas is not and should not be taken as an indication of present or future performance. This is for education only. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. What you do is entirely up to you. Okay, so we're looking at the Apple stock, AAPL, and what you see in front of you is a Bollinger Band and a slow RSI. And what I did was I combined both of these into one powerful indicator with a theoretical buy signal when a certain setup that I want to see happens fires off. So I'm going to show you that right now. So we go up here to Studies. It's the Bollinger Band oscillator that I created. Click Apply. OK. So let me show you guys this. This is both these indicators combined into one, and this arrow will appear. This is a theoretical buy signal when a certain setup happens. So this is below this. We're considered oversold and we're hooking up, and that's when this arrow is going to fire off for a theoretical buy. So let me just remove the Bollinger Band and the slow RSI just to make it, just so we can see what we're looking at. And the time frame we're on is we're looking at a 30-day 15-minute chart. So each candle represents 15 minutes of data. So as you can see, once we're below this and we're hooking up, this arrow will fire off. As you can see, there typically is follow through. So this is great for scalping trades. So it fired off right here, 204.10, and it had to move up to 204.70. Not a lot, but initially there was some good follow through. We look over here. We fired off right here. We're at 207.17, 15. Had to move up to 208.60, 208.70. You know, it's good for scalping type trades. Fired off right here, and we're already getting follow through on it. So let's look at some more. Let's see. Let's look at AT&T. Okay, we had some back here. We had one that fired off right here. You can see that arrow. Here's the candle at 30.72, and that was an amazing move up. 31.32. Right here we fired off. You can see that arrow right on this bar. 31. We got to move up. Get the idea. Let's see. We had one right here. Fired off. We had to move up. And I only see 1, 2, 3 on this one. Let's look at some more. Let's look at OSB. Okay, we had one back here, fired off right here. We had to move up. We had one right here, fired off. The arrow had to move up. It's fairly accurate. We had one right here as well, move up. We had a cluster right here. This one did not. I mean, there's no perfect way to do this, but this is pretty accurate what I'm seeing. So we didn't have follow through with that one. We had one again, no follow through. We had a third one, clustering together, and we had a nice move up. So this could be used for just quick scalping or possibly swing trading. I'm not a financial advisor, but you know, I got to do what's working, and currently this is working pretty well. So we had to move up right there. We fired off right there. We had to move up there. Let's see what else. Let's look at Walmart. Alright, we had one back here. Fired off. We had an incredible move up. Let's see. Oh, we had two right here. Fired off. And another one that fired off. Nice move up. We had one right here. Fired off. Yeah, it's pretty good. We had one right here, most recent, fired off. Amazing move up. I don't know if you would have captured that whole thing. I probably would have dumped it as soon as I hit my target. I just like to get in and get out type thing. So, but this could be used. This indicator can be used on any time frame. I'm just looking at a 15-minute time frame. Each bar representing 15 minutes of data. We had one that fired off right here on cron. We had to move up. We had one right here. And if you can see that, we had a nice move up. We have two that are firing off right here. Nice move up. And most recent, we had one right here. It was a move up. And we're having one today that's coming in. So see how that plays out. See what else. Let's look at GE. We had one back here, fired off, move up. We had one right here, fired off, nice move up. We had one right here, beautiful move up. And we had one right here. We did not have follow through with this one, so we'll see what happens. Maybe another one will fire off. So that's GE. We'll see how that plays out. Let's look at US Steel. We had one that fired off right here. We did not have follow through. Another one, slightly, but that really wasn't good enough. We have another one that fired off. No, hardly anything on this one. So back here it didn't really work out too well. Let's see, right here we had one that fired off. Yeah, incredible move up. So it's not perfect. There is no perfect system, but this is pretty incredible, combining the Bollinger Bands with the RSI. And a lot of traders like to use Bollinger Bands for their trading because price, will stay in the bands. They're two standard deviations, so I guess price will stay in there 85% of the time, and then people like to use the RSI to see when things are relatively overbought and oversold, and I combined it all into one. So what I'm going to do for you guys is put a link in the description that will take you to the Bollinger Band oscillator, and if you want to purchase it, feel free to. I highly recommend using this indicator. As far as I know, I've looked around, I haven't seen anybody else combining the Bollinger Bands with an RSI. So it's very powerful. It's been working pretty good, so I'm just going with it. And with this indicator, you're going to get the indicator and you're going to get the scan. So if you take this indicator, run it through the scan, and I'm not going to go through that right now because I don't have enough time, but there will be instructions on the page. If you click on the link, it'll bring you there. It'll show you how to set it up, import it, run it through a scan to find the setup in live time. And you can run it on any time frame you prefer when you run the scan. So check it out, see what you guys think, and just have fun, make some money.